Hi, this is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. I'm a certified agent in place specialist and a master instructor. When it comes to making improvements in our clients' homes, there are standards that we like to adhere to, and there are requirements or regulations that we must adhere to. That's the difference. For instance, a doorway width, we have a common doorway width that we like. We like to have at least 32 inches of clear passage through the doorway. But in your city, there may be a specific regulation that it has to be so wide, a minimum width of whatever it is. But the standard would be 32 inches of clear passage, typically a 36-inch doorway to do that. If we don't measure up to that, then the client is affected, but we're not penalized in any way because it wasn't a specific requirement. On the other hand, if it is a building code requirement, then we have to measure up to that. The height of outlets above the floor, how many outlets have to be on a wall, the number of ceiling light fixtures and so forth might be a requirement, a regulation by your building department or building code. It might just be standard compliance, something that we like to include in the home. So there are standards when it comes to our design recommendations, and there are requirements. And we need to make sure we communicate that to the client, that this is something we like to do. You don't have to do it this way, but it works best if you do. Or this is something that we have to do to follow the building code and to get your property approved correctly. This is Steve Hoffacker. Thanks for joining me. Until next time.